How to enable Google Play Store when disabled. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, navigate to your device settings. Once it opens, scroll down. Tap Apps. Select App Management. Now locate Google Play Store in the list of apps. If you don't get this way, select search bar and type in Google Play Store. Open the App Info section of Google Play Store, and if you see that Google Play Store has been disabled, you have to tap on Enable option at top right corner of the screen and the app will be successfully enabled. Now the disabled Google Play Store has successfully been enabled. Now you can successfully use the application and download any kinds of application from there. So that is how we enable Google Play Store when disabled. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment the queries. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.